Hi, I am Geetika and let's just see what's inside in my makeup kit. So I'm going to show you one by one each product that I am using. So this is a cream based highlighter. I like to apply highlighter on my cheekbone and my inner corner eyes. So yes, this is a Lakme Absolute Radiant Compact Powder. The best thing is it has SPF protection. So I like to use compact some days. Next is this Pond's super lightweight gel moisturizer. When my skin becomes very oily, I need to apply a gel based moisturizer. Next is this Fit Me MAC matte poreless foundation. This is for normal to oily skin. Next is this Inside Ka makeup fixer spray, which has a lot of minerals in it and as well as chemicals. Anyway, next is this cream based concealer palette, and I like to apply concealer on my uh, dark under eye areas or my acne scars. Next is this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. I used to keep it when I start using makeup. Next is this Lakme Lumi cream. This is like moisturizer with highlighter, and I sometimes I apply it on my hands too. Next is this Diamond Plus Skin Nourishing Cream. I applied some of the skin nourishing creams before applying any makeup on my skin because it provides instant hydration to the skin. Next is this Pond's BB Plus cream. This is like a more like a foundation. Next is this Blue Heaven Bold eyeliner for beginners. Next is this Pond's super lightweight moisturizer, and next is this is Neon Charming eyeliner, and this is me on primer foundation. This is a very good foundation plus primer, and I like to keep this mini fan to just dry out any application process on my face. Next is another tube of this Pond's Baby Plus cream. This is just a perfume to apply in between makeup. And yes, next is this is a Mion compact powder. I like to apply compact like daily basis when I do not need any foundation or concealer. So yes, this is like a very good, this provides very good coverage when you want to go out without wanna wear any kind of makeup. So yes, this is like a good purchase. Is this is a this is Vaseline Lip Care Total Moisturizer, a long lasting hydrating moisturizer for lips. This is a hand sanitizer. Always sanitize my hand before using any kind of makeup or any kind of process. This is a primer, Mars poreless primer, and this is a hairband. I like to apply a hairband to pull all my hairs back. And this is 7 makeup brushes, mini brushes. So it just require more less space in my kit. So and the quality of these brushes is also very good. And this is my mini jewelry, what I called it, my mini jewelry case, and I like to keep all my mini jewelry in it so that I can pick whenever or whatever I want to wear. So yes, this part of this makeup kit is done, and now moving on to the this one. And this is a lip care lip balm. I like to apply lip balm all the time on my lips. And next is this face filler. This is a lip filler, I guess a lip liner for lips. This is my lipstick, everyday lipstick. This is simply a face razor when I want to raise my face. Next is these are some safety pins. This is ADS eyebrow pencil, and it also have this mini brush. This is eyeliner, this is my lip gloss, this is a liquid lipstick, this is Neon Bullet lipstick. I love that deep pigment, best for dusky Indian skin tones. This is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This is a blush brush, another brush, and this is a eyebrow filler. This is a mascara from Neon. Yes, charming mascara. And this is my everyday or kind of lipstick, liquid lipstick, another liquid lipstick, and this is a white pencil for eye. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer, Orange Concealer, and this is a Glam Girls Super Stay Matte Liquid. Let me share with you the pigment. When I wear these kind of lipsticks, like I feel like I am wearing a vibe. Another lipstick, and this is just a perfume, and this is kajal, and this is a face wipe to wipe out all the excess oil on my skin, another wipes, and this is thread to thread my eyebrows, and this is another lip balm. So yes, all these are all the items that I carry in my makeup kit. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.